Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, children. How are you? I hope you are all safe and fine. As children, see we are completed chapter number 1, numbers. Now, chapter number 2, Roman numerals. Understood, children? See, what is meant by Roman numerals? Tell me, children. Yeah, I will explain you what is that. Okay. See, people in ancient time did not have any restrictions. Understood, children? Can traveling from one country to another. See, in the ancient time, people did not have any restriction to travel one place to another place. Okay. Merchant, traders and explorers crossed countries and sailed across the ocean freely. Understood, children? See, who are in merchants, traders and explorers crossed countries and sailed across the ocean freely, exchanging knowledge as they traveled. Understood, children? That's why, see, Roman numerical organized in Rome. Where it will organized in Rome. Understood, children? They were used by ancient Roman almost 2000 years ago. Understood, children? See, what are the 7 letters they have used in Roman numbers? What is the 7 letters? See, Roman symbols. Roman symbols, number. What are the 7 letters in Roman symbols? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I, 1. V, 5. X, 10. L, 50. C, 100. D, 500. M, 1000. Understood, children? See, I means 1. Okay. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. You should write in the classwork this. Understood? 7 letters used in Roman numerical. What are they? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Understood? Write in the classwork. What is this? I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Understood, children? Compulsorily you should write this in the classwork. Numerals. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Roman used letter represent numbers. Okay. The figure here represent the symbol used by Romans. See, children, what is the rules? Roman used letters to represent numbers. See, Roman used letter to represent numbers. The figure here represent the symbol used by Romans. Next, what is that? In many years, in many cases, when we write numbers in Roman numeral, the representation of the letter means that the number is doubled. Understood? Example, what is that? 1 1 represent two. Understood? X represent 20. Understood, children? Write in the classwork. Children, listen this. The Hindu numeral system as developed in India between the 5th and 4th century, which was later adopted by Persian and Arab mathematicians, and the system came to be known as Indo-Arabic numeral system. Understood, children? What is that? Hindu numeral system as developed in Indian between the 1st and 4th century. Understood? Which was later adopted by Persian and Arab mathematicians, and the system came to be known as Indo-Arabic numeral system. Understood, children? See, once observe here, children. How will you write 4 and 9 in Roman numerals? Simple. 4 is 4 ones and 9 is 5 plus 4 ones. No, this is wrong. See, what is wrong is read the following conversation between Saurya and Soumya. How will you write 4 and 9 in Roman numerals? Simple. 4 is 4 eyes and 9 is V 4 eyes. Samir. What is wrong in Samir's answer? Can you identify? 4 is always written as IV and never 4 eyes. Understood? In many cases, letter before the biggest value suggests that you have subtracted it from the same bigger value. Understood, children? See, smaller value I, bigger value V. See, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. What is that? I is smaller value, V is bigger value. Okay. Therefore, 5 minus 1 equal to 4 or V minus I, IV. Similarly, 10 minus 1, 9 or X minus I, IX. Understood? Also in some cases, the letter after a bigger value suggests that you have added it. Understood, children? See, bigger value 5, I is smaller value. This means addition. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. VI. Therefore, 5 plus 1, 6 or V plus I equal to VI. 10 plus 1, 11 or X plus I, XI. Understood, children? See, remember, X is not represented more than thrice continuously, but 39 triple X IX. 39 is triple X IX. Similarly, I, X, C, D and M cannot be repeated more than thrice. See, similarly, I, X, C, D and M cannot be repeated more than thrice. Understood, children? See, X is not repeated more than thrice continuously. Understood? Similarly, I, X, C, D and M cannot be repeated more than thrice. Understood, children? Compulsorily you should remember this. You should keep it in the mind. X is not represent more than thrice. Okay? X, I, C, D also, M also. Okay? Children, write the numbers. Roman numerals. 1 I, 2 I, 3 triple I, 4 I, V, 5 V, 6 V, I, 7 V, I, 8 V, triple I, 9 I, X, 10 X, 11 X, I, 12 X, double I, 13 X, triple I, 14 X, I, V, 15 X, V, 16 X, V, I, 17 X, V, I, 18 X, V, triple I, 19 X, I, X, 20 double X. Understood, children? 21 X, I, 22 X, double I, 23 X, X triple I. 24 X I V. 25 X V. 26 X V I. 27 X V I. 28 X V triple I. 29 X V I, sorry, X I X. 30 triple X. T triple X. Understood? Now 31 triple X I. 32 triple X I. 33 triple X I. 34 triple X I V. 35 triple X V. 36 triple X V I. 37 triple X V I. 38 triple X V I. 39 triple X I X. 40 means what? Already I told you. 50 means L. S 40 means X L. Understood? Because 50 minus 10, 40. S 41 X L I. 42 X L I. 43 X L I. 44 X L I V. 45 X L V. 46 X L V I. 47 X L V I. 48 X L V I. 49 X L I X. 50 L. Understood, children? Write it fast. Up to 50 I wrote. Okay. Write in the classwork, ma. Up to 100 also you can write, children. Now 51. See. 51 L I. 52 L I. 53 L I. 54 L I V. 55 L V. 56 L V I. 57 L V I. 58 L V I. 59 L I X. 60 L X. 50 plus 10, 60. L plus X. 60. I will write on the board 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 100. Continue to write. After this 61, 62, that also you can write, children. Okay, write it. I will only write on the board, okay? Wait. Children, now 61. 61. L X 1 means I. 62. L X I. 63. L X I. 64. L X I V. 65. L X V. 66. L X V I. 67. L X V I. 68. L X V I. 69. L X I X. 70. L X X. Understood? 71. L X X I. 72. L X X I. 73. L X X I. 74. L X X I V. 75. L X X V. 76. L X X V I. 77. L X X V I. 78. L X X V I. 79. L X X I X. 80. L X X X. Understood? 81. L X X X triple X I. 82. L triple X double I. 83. L triple X triple I. 84. L triple X I V. 85. L triple X V. 86. L triple X V I. 87. L triple X V I. 88. L triple X V I. 89. L triple X I X. 90. 100 means what, children? C. S. C means what? X C. Because 90. Understood? Now 91. X C I. 92. X C I. 93. X C I. 94. X C 1 V I V. 95. X C V. 96. X C V I. 97. X C V I. 98. X C V I. 99. X C I X. 100. C. Understood? Right. Up to 100 I gave you. Should write. Write in the class work.